If you have a sugar craving and still looking to hit your protein goals and stay within your calories, this is the perfect dessert for you. We're going to take 1 pack of Jell-O. I'm going to use the orange. We got a cup of boiling water right here. We're just going to dump that into our Jell-O, giving it a nice stir, everything incorporated here. So we're just gonna let this cool off a bit. All right, so now that's cooled down a bit, we're gonna add 1 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Got it pre-measured out in here. All right, we are going to mix this in and incorporate the liquid Jell-O and the non-fat plain Greek yogurt. All right, we got it all mixed up. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. All right, so we got it out of the refrigerator. All right, so what we're going to do here to make it a little more aesthetically pleasing, with some fat-free Ready Whip. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, give you guys a good look. I want to get more of this than the whipped cream. That gelatine-y taste, it's good. It's got that sweetness that we want. This will definitely satisfy a sweet tooth. And you're getting about 20 grams of protein for all this right here. So very good. Kill your sugar cravings. And speaking of high protein, if you enjoyed this video, check out my other recipes to help you on your weight loss journey.